FREE, friendly girl free. What's happening, man? What they do? It's your boy TJ. Ooh, shit. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trader One. And right now, oh man, y'all see the title, you see the thumbnail. I went ahead and I made myself a pretty cool purchase of the reverse osmosis water filtration system. This thing has been sitting in my house just for like months, just sitting there, taking up space. But I need it because I want to filter my water. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to just drink water from the tap. I want to use that water from the tap, but filter it first before I cook with it, before I put it in my coffee. I want to make sure that it's filtered. So let's unbox this thing and see what we're working with. So, man, what they do.
I just be showing niggas love. I notice when they show it back. If I wanna get to the racks, I gotta put this on my back. Yeah, I gotta carry the pack. Yeah, I gotta lead the way. Yeah, I gotta go and get it like now. Yeah, I gotta seize the day. New whip with the wrist. Hey, bad bitch, big tits. Hey, I gotta go and get it right now, man. I gotta seize the day.
Comes with instructions, which we'll definitely read because I don't want to fuck this up. Cut this box. I'm gonna pull this thing out. You know what I'm saying? Pull out the stick, nigga. Pull out the stick. Pull out the stick, nigga. Pull out the stick. Rah, rah. Pull out the stick, nigga. Pull out the stick, nigga. Nigga. Alright, this is our reverse osmosis machine. I will have a link below in the description. It's a Bluevua reverse osmosis machine, 3-step filtration, and I really want to try it and see how long it takes to work. See if the water tastes any different. It even gives you a reading here on the screen once you plug it up. The quality of your water. So again, 3-step filtration system. It gives you a reading right here on the screen of the quality of the water when you put it in, and the quality of the water when it drips into this faucet here, or drips into this container. So really cool, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through me setting it up, and then we'll try it out. So when you first unbox this thing, what you're gonna want to do is take off all of the plastic and inspect every part of this machine. You want to make sure that there's nothing broken.
Oh, look at them lights, boy.
Next thing to do is to fill this reservoir with water. And first I'm gonna wash it out though. So, well y'all, the TDS meter is gradually dropping lower and lower. Damn. The TDS meter is gradually dropping lower and lower. And what a TDS is the total dissolved solids in your water. So if you think about a solid, just think about a rock. And you think about a dissolved solid, just think about a rock that's been broken down into sand by water. So a dissolved solid, the total dissolved solids inside water, 500 or more, we're talking like the 500 is the highest that it should ever be. And when I put the water in here at first, the TDS read like just about that 300 level that you see right there. When you first put it in, it was just at 275. That means the water that was in there was at 275, and then what's coming out is at 51. When I first put the water in there, it was at like 365 TDS, and then what was coming out was 99 TDS. But right here, what's coming out is 51 TDS, which according to this meter means 50 to 51 TDS is carbon filtration, mountain springs, or aquifer water. It's naturally low in salt and minerals. So pretty much just clear water, drinkable clear water with low minerals. So we're almost there. This was filtration number 2. I think I'm gonna do like 7 filtrations. So this is number 2. And it's finally filled up. The first time around it didn't even fill up, and it says on the instructions that the first and the second round there may not be any water that comes out, and you have to filtrate it that many times because there's actually a protective fluid within each filter to keep and preserve all of the filtration in the tubes. So you got to filter that out, filter it out, filter it out. They say 5, I'm going for 7, so let's do it. So this is cycle number 7. This is number 7. Only 37 TDS in this water, as proclaimed by this filter. 37 TDS has been put out, and based on this reading, 37 TDS is near to the ideal drinking water. 0 up to 50 is ideal drinking water from reverse osmosis, which is perfectly suitable for drinking. So only 37 total dissolved solids per parts per million is in this 1 1/2 liter jug right here of water. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I think it tastes like. Let's try it out. Oh, let's try it out, y'all. Y'all know I'm not gonna fuck with y'all. I'm not gonna act like it's good when it's not. I'm gonna tell y'all what's real. All right, here we go. I like it. It tastes clear. Honestly, it tastes better than tap water. I feel like tap water always has like a chlorine kind of taste to it. This does not have that. This is good water. I feel better about drinking this. I feel better about drinking this than I do drinking about. I feel better about drinking this than I do about drinking tap water or bottled water, because now I'm getting rid of all that plastic that bleeds off into the bottles with this, and it's good. Reverse osmosis filtered water by Bluevua. Link below in the description. I filtered it 7 times. 7 times. I cleared this filter through. My water ended up at 37 TDS output. I'm loving it. I'm gonna try to drink about a liter of water before I go to sleep. It's nighttime. Y'all be blessed, man. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.